Feel like the hurt runs too deep, but something inside you still wants to stay? Maybe you've been to therapy, had the conversations, made the effort, and yet you still don't feel safe, close, or understood. If you're wondering, can we come back from this? I want you to know you can, but not by pretending the pain isn't there. Let me walk you through how couples begin to find their way back without brushing things under the rug. Hi, I'm Monica Burford, a couples therapist based in Sacramento, California. I help partners move from being stuck in painful conflict loops to feeling seen, chosen, and connected again without sacrificing their needs or losing themselves in the process. Step 1. Acknowledge the wound without rushing to forgive. Most couples try to move forward too quickly. They say, let's just start fresh. But unprocessed hurt has a way of echoing. The first step isn't to fix, it's to witness, to say, yes, this happened, yes, it hurt, and yes, I still want to keep showing up. That's not weakness, it takes a lot of courage. Step 2, stop keeping score and start sharing the impact. Couples often get stuck in cycles of who hurt who worse and when. But healing doesn't come from keeping score. It comes from sharing things like, here's how I experienced that moment, here's what it meant to me, here's what it brought up inside of me. When both partners can do that, not perfectly, but honestly, repair becomes possible. Step 3, create safety for the hard conversations. Here's the truth. You can't rebuild trust in a reactive environment. You need structure in a container where emotions don't boil over and vulnerability doesn't get shut down. This is something that I teach in my Choosing Connection roadmap. It's not about talking more. It's about talking in a way that actually brings you closer to each other. Step 4, learn the language of repair. Every long-term couple hurts each other. The difference between surviving and thriving is repair. Do you know how to apologize in a way that actually lands? And do you know how to receive an apology without minimizing your own pain or punishing your partner? This is about rebuilding emotional credibility so that trust has something solid to stand on again. Step 5, reconnect not just with each other, but with hope. Sometimes the biggest bridge isn't between you and your partner, it's between you and the belief that love is still possible here. I've seen couples come back from emotional disconnection, betrayals, or even near divorces, not because it wasn't serious, but because both still wanted to stay. That wanting matters, and that wanting is sacred, so don't ignore it. If this spoke to you at all, or even just one part had you thinking, this is us, I want to invite you to book a free 45-minute video consultation to understand your pattern and help you explore how to start choosing each other again without pretending like everything is fine. You don't have to throw everything away just because you're hurting, and you don't have to stay stuck in pain just because you love each other. There's a way back, and it doesn't involve pretending or performing. It starts with honesty, and it starts with rebuilding safety and trust the right way.